is Molly Burke, and I am in fact blind, despite some of my conspiracy theorists on YouTube. When I was 4 years old, I was diagnosed with a rare genetic eye disease called retinitis pigmentosa. And really wondered what was I ever going to be able to do with my life. And I just feel so blessed to be able to celebrate 10 years of vision loss with, milestones like hitting 1 million subscribers, which is just insane. The reason I am able to do that is because of technology. What I always try to tell people is technology is equality. For people like me, technology levels the playing field, accessible technology rather, levels the playing field so that I can do what you guys get to do with sight. And that's a really incredible thing. So I always love when I get the opportunity to work with tech companies, because those are the companies that have liberated me and have allowed to empower me to be creative and to connect with all of you online.